Action on Armed Violence and gunpolicy.org both know how vital it is for advocates and journalists to have excellent facts and figures. Stakeholders on all sides of the debate need real evidence to help reduce armed violence, and so our website makes that evidence very easy to find. But we also make it simple to chart instant comparisons, country by country. It's very popular. Last year, gunpolicy.org hosted 1.5 million uniquely identifiable visitors, and that's a 5-fold increase on the year before. Google has already indexed 90,000 of our web pages, facts and data, comparative charts at every country in the world. And it's very important to us that every one of the hundreds of thousands of factual assertions that we provide is sourced back to an original, credible document. The main aim of gunpolicy.org has always been to support the United Nations Small Arms Programme of Action. But much broader than that, we also set out to reclaim some of the web, so to speak. Back in the early 90s, I found more than 2,000 pro-gun websites, but only a couple of dozen which focused on the damage done. And by that I mean websites which try to reduce gun injury. And so 20 years later, the balance is better. Sites like ours and Action on Armed Violence and the Small Arms Survey, we're balancing the debate a lot more evenly these days. Gunpolicy.org is a university project at the Sydney School of Public Health, so the bottom line is always to save lives. It's an academic site. You don't go there for a laugh. But it's the quickest way to find the best available numbers and rates of gun death and injury, and to compare all the gun laws that we've been able to find right around the world. Our country data pages are not a place for opinion. No unsourced claims, just solid facts and figures on everything to do with regulating firearms and preventing armed violence. Just one example, it took our translators and researchers 4 hard years to pass the gun laws of 100 countries clause by clause. A few days ago, with the help of the Swiss government, we relaunched our entire website translated into French. And very soon we hope to do the same in Spanish. One thing's for sure, our users are really thirsty for credible evidence to use in their own research and advocacy. And judging by the hundreds of mass media articles which quote gunpolicy.org as a source, we've also become a one-stop shop for journalists. Like anyone in gun control, we get some really angry feedback. But that's only a small group within a minority. And it just gives us pleasure to help everyone to quickly find the facts, instead of wading through all the unsourced and unsubstantiated nonsense that clutters the net. And it's also a great feeling to monitor our web analytics online and to watch more than 3,000 users each day find something useful among the hundreds of thousands of web pages and charts that we've put up there for everyone.